Are you exhausted from the constant stress and chaos that's around you every day? Yearning for a sense of peace and balance in your life? Well, get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey of self-discovery and transformation.
GoodLiving360.com, health, lifestyle, and well-being.
In the midst of the hustle and bustle of American life, a profound shift is taking place, a shift towards holistic health and well-being. Today, we unveil the extraordinary powers of yoga and meditation for beginners, revealing how Americans like you are tapping into a wellspring of inner peace, rejuvenation, and meditation music. Discover the secrets of how to meditate, unlock the path to relaxation and stress relief through yoga poses for beginners, and the incredible power of sleep meditation. It's time to break free from the chains of stress and anxiety and embrace a life filled with serenity, harmony, and self-discovery. Get ready to embark on a remarkable adventure that will revolutionize the way you live and experience the world around you. Yoga is a centuries-old practice that combines physical postures, breath control, and meditation. It is not just a form of exercise but a way of life. Through yoga, we cultivate strength, flexibility, mindfulness, and inner peace. Let's embark on a transformative journey towards inner peace, stress relief, sleep meditation, and self-discovery. Explore the serenity of meditation retreats, learn the art of meditation, and unlock your full potential with yoga for beginners. Let's start with these simple steps to nourish your mind, body, and soul. Step 1. The physical benefits. Regular yoga poses for beginners improves flexibility, builds muscle strength, enhances balance, and promotes overall physical well-being. It is a low-impact exercise accessible to people of all ages and fitness levels. Yoga has been a game changer for me. It has helped me alleviate stress relief, chronic pain, improve my posture, and increase my energy levels. It's become an integral part of my self-care routine. Yoga and meditation retreats offer a gateway to disconnect and find inner peace, so subscribe to our channel for health tips like this. Step 2. The mental and emotional benefits. Yoga and meditation retreats provide a sanctuary for self-reflection and stress reduction. Through mindfulness and meditation music, practitioners experience a sense of calm, improved mental clarity, and emotional balance. In recent years, the demand for yoga has grown exponentially in America. People are recognizing the need to slow down, meditate for relaxation, connect with their bodies, and find inner peace amidst the chaos of modern life. Americans are adapting to this change by embracing yoga and sleep meditation as a lifestyle. From attending classes at dedicated yoga centers to practicing at home through online platforms, the accessibility of yoga and how to meditate has expanded greatly. Some of the best yoga centers in America provide a diverse range of classes and workshops, catering to practitioners of all levels. From renowned yoga studios in cities like New York and Los Angeles to meditation retreat centers in picturesque locations, the options are abundant. Many Americans are even pursuing yoga teacher training to deepen their practice and share the gift of yoga with others. These training programs provide a comprehensive understanding of yoga's philosophy, anatomy, and teaching techniques. So, whether it's in a yoga studio, at a meditation retreat, or in the comfort of your own home, yoga is the key to unlocking a healthier and more balanced life. You should meditate for relaxation, find solace in sleep meditation, and explore yoga poses for beginners to embark on a peaceful journey. Join meditation retreats to delve deeper into the practice and discover stress relief through meditation music. Learn how to meditate and embrace the healing power of yoga for beginners. Let us embrace the transformative power of yoga, cultivating physical vitality, mental clarity, and emotional well-being.
Stay connected with us on Good Living 360 for more tips on health, lifestyle, and well-being. Visit us on our website